grease or anything, just the heat. Just smell this chicken. Just smell this chicken, how good it is. Hi guys, welcome to Joy's Kitchen, where happiness happens. Today I'm going to make for you stir-fried chicken and rice. Just watch and enjoy me cooking. My stir-fried chicken, I'm going to use a cabbage, carrot, my peppers, my onion, my scallion, my garlic, and I have here Lawry seasoning salt, garlic powder, and paprika.
Smells good.
Yeah, there. I already cut the chicken. I already cleaned the chicken with vinegar and cut them up in small cubes. Yeah, they're already cleaned and cut up in small cubes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to garlic salt on the chicken. Garlic powder. 1 teaspoon each, and the paprika. And also I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper, not a whole lot because it's stir fried, we don't want it spicy. And then I'm gonna rub in the seasoning in the chicken here. Yep. Rub it in here. Massage it. Yeah, make sure rub it in properly. Real good. And you can even smell it already.
I can definitely smell it.
Yeah, the pepper and the garlic salt and the paprika, let it smells real good. So I'm going to cover it. Wash my hands. Yeah, wash my hands. Cover it and let it stay there for a little while. Now I'm going to cut these vegetables off camera and I'll be back. To cut up, shorten the time. The pot is hot. Put in a little oil in there for the chicken, not a whole lot of oil. And I'm going to put pieces of chicken that's already marinated in here. And let them cook for a little while. And then we bring this stir fry together. So 1 second, let me wash my hands off here. Oh yeah. We are ready. Ready. Cook in here for a while. Get them all nice. We're done. Smells good. The garlic, paprika, and garlic powder. Let it stay here. I'll give it about 3 minutes on this side and then flip them over.
Okay. Just 3 minutes and then you flip it over?
Flip it over.
Okay. And it should be good as done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they are very small pieces.
Okay. And thin? Okay.
We're going to put the chicken over on the other side. So I'm getting it ready to do our stir fry. See there? Chicken smells so good. Whoa. Look how pretty it is. Smells good. Yeah, cooking with just the heat. There's no grease or anything, just the heat. Just smell this chicken. Just smell this chicken, how good it is. Nice little cubes. Ready for my stir fry. Whoa.
Can you make the stir fry without meat?
Yes, you can make it without meat. You can make it with chicken or whatever, beef, pork. Of course, you can make it with codfish, otherwise saltfish, or you can just do the vegetable without any of those things. No fish, no chicken, no nothing. Just the vegetable. Especially for those people who are vegan or just vegetarian, it's also good without the meat or the fish.
Okay.
You know. Oh, I'm ready, so I'm going to transfer it to this pot here. What I'm going to do my stir fry into. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to one big juicy onion, put it here. 4 cloves of garlic, put it there. Scallion, put it in here. I keep a little
Tip.
keep a little olive oil in here.
Oh man, I'm not even eating meat.
You're not even eating meat, and are you tempted? Look how pretty it is. Look how pretty this is. Look how nice that is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my cabbage that I already cut up, shredded my cabbage. I'm going to put it in the pot here. And this is a small cabbage. That's already shredded. That's like shredded carrot. And my pepper. My bell pepper, red pepper, and yellow pepper. Messing up the floor. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder on top. Garlic salt. I try to cut down on the salt, so I don't use a lot of salt. And the next thing I'm going to do, because I don't like to use the stir fry sauce, so I'm going to use.
Oh, so you come up with your own sauce.
I'm using butter. I'm using steam.
And what type of butter is this?
This is vegan butter. You can use any butter. Any butter. Vegan butter, margarine, just about anything. So and let it simmer. Alright?
How long do you let it simmer?
I'm gonna let it simmer here for like 8 minutes. And then stir and see what happens. Okay?
So the food should be ready in 8 minutes? Is that what you're saying?
The vegetable should be ready in 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. And did you put water in it, or you just...
No water, absolutely.
Not even a little bit?
Not even a little bit, because I'm also gonna add my snap peas to the stir fry. Smells good, huh?
It does.
And looks so pretty, so much colors.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a cup of rice that I'm going to wash. 1 cup of rice. I'm going to wash it until the water becomes very clear.
Okay. How many times you wash the rice?
I just wash. I just wash until the water becomes clear, and that's about it.
So more than 2 times.
Just until it's clear.
Okay. Okay.
I think this is enough. So since it's not here, and I have some boiling water here for like a cup to cover the rice. Pinch of garlic salt in there.
Okay.
Just the water is boiling.
Okay.
Just let it simmer.
Okay.
Ready to go.
All right.
What's happening here? Wow. Colorful and nice. Look at here, Keisha. Oh my goodness, you see? Look at this baby. Look here. Look at all these vegetables. Let me get Look how beautiful it look.
It's really good.
That smells good. It's too bad you're not gonna eat any of it. Miss Vegan Lady. So this is done. This is done.
It
Look
looks
at
so colorful too.
colorful and nice.
Jerron is hungry. Big man.
He's ready. Oh,
Oh man.
oh, it's worth the wait, man. Look here, colorful and nice. Stir fry has been completed, and Jerron is ready to give it a try. So let me know what you think. It's looking.
That looks really good, Mom.
Oh,
Gorgeous.
It looks
beautiful.
gorgeous. What?
Oh, just let me know what you think.
He hungry.
What do you think?
Tastes as good as it looks.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Thumbs up, looking good. Wow, this is very colorful and it's nutrition. And anybody can make this meal.
Okay.
And it's good. You can make it with chicken or without chicken. Thank you guys again for watching Joy's cooking. I hope you enjoy watching me cooking, and I want you to try this dish.
Right.
And let me know if you like it. Like my page.
Right.
Subscribe. And comment and subscribe. And be safe.